In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add round-robin scheduling. We'll be using Calendly as the example, and I'll walk you through the process from start to finish so you can quickly set up a scheduling link that fairly distributes meetings across your team. First, log into your Calendly account in your web browser. Once you're on your main dashboard, look for the scheduling section. This is usually where your event types and scheduling options live. Go ahead and click on scheduling. This takes you to the area where you can manage how people book time with you or your team. Next, we're going to create a new event specifically for round-robin scheduling. In the scheduling page, look for a button or link labeled Create. Click on Create to start setting up a new event type. This is the same place you'd go if you were creating any other kind of meeting, but in this case, we'll choose a special format designed for Teams. When the creation options appear, you'll see several event type choices. Look for the one labeled Round Robin and click on it. A round-robin event is perfect when you have multiple team members who can handle the same type of meeting, and you want Calendly to automatically rotate bookings between them. This helps balance workloads and reduce bottlenecks, so no single person is overwhelmed with all the appointments. After selecting round-robin, Calendly will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. Follow these prompts carefully. You'll typically be asked to choose which team members should be included. Set the meeting duration, define your availability, and configure any buffers or limits for the number of meetings per day. Take a moment on each screen to double-check the details, like time zones and working hours, so that the event works smoothly for everyone involved. As you go through these steps, you may also have options to customize the event name, description, and location, such as a video conferencing link or a physical office address. Fill these in clearly so invitees know exactly what to expect. When you reach the end of the prompts, review your summary to make sure everything looks correct.